Here's an update on the track truck. We're finally getting things completed. So we got the bench seats done, so we can sleep a couple people on those. 6 inches of memory foam. Beds in here. And final piece, which is almost complete, is a countertop. Solid walnut, like very nice. He's working on the other piece that goes in here and it'll cover that hole up. We designed it to where this back piece could come off because underneath that is all the electronics and all the water heater and all that. So if I need to get to that, we can pull that off. We got the toilet. So yeah, it's almost all together. I just gotta connect the plumbing and it'll be done. Very nice.